Look at that. Look at the saber cat. He is ready for attack. He needs to mark his territory. Look at him go, running up the stairs. It's his territory. He needs everything. There he is, ready for attack. Hope he doesn't die. And that wraps up our conclusion of our saber cat.